Along with urbanization and industrialization, the daily municipal wastes increased up to 11,000 tons. This means we need 1,000 11-ton trucks to carry them all. Come 2022, the use of Seoul landfill site expires, reaching its limit. We will no longer be able to dispose of wastes by landfill as there are no more lands to fill up with wastes. On the other hand, landfill turns many parts of our national territory into a huge garbage field, and this can give rise to another serious environmental issue as it becomes the source for the secondary pollution, such as odor, dust, underground water, and soil pollution, and leachate. In addition, the costs of such landfills are huge, with hiring of landfill site construction and transport charges. As such, we need a resource recovery system to resolve such problems of waste disposal. We are well aware of the fact that a resource recovery system is the most ideal way to dispose of wastes in many developed nations. Resource recovery system is an environmentally friendly system that does not simply incinerate the waste, but uses the most advanced combustion processes to minimize noxious gases. It is also satisfying the strictest environmental criteria in the world, such as keeping dioxins under 0.01 nanograms and the quantity of improper remnants for recycling under 3%. With the combination of new and proven technologies, the plant was built as the perfect facility with the highest stability. This plant disposes wastes in the following 4 processes. First, the garbage truck enters via the entrance gate of the receiving area equipped with facilities preventing the diffusion of odor and puts the waste into a refuse bunker. The waste, shredded to uniform size, is transferred and stored in the processed refuse fuel bunker after valuable materials such as ferrous and non-ferrous metals are collected. The waste put into the incinerator goes through a combustion chamber to be incinerated by a 3-stage structure stoker. Burned ash is poured into a rotary kiln and turned into the substances in which the elution of heavy metals is restricted by sintering through a long retention time over 60 minutes at the temperature higher than 900 degrees Celsius. The flue gas passes along the rotary kiln and the upper path of the combustion chamber into the post-combustion chamber, where the gas is retained for about 6 seconds at 850 degrees Celsius to dissolve most of its dioxin. The flue gas, which has been instantly cooled down to 200 degrees Celsius in the wasted heat boiler, is sprayed with slaked lime slurry in the semi-dry reactor to remove acid gas and heavy metals through condensing and absorption, and the dioxin and heavy metals are removed using the activated carbon in the bag filter. The selective catalytic reduction reactor removes the nitrogen oxidized substance and small amounts of dioxin as well. Then, the flue gas is led to the police filter for final process. After the final process, the gas would contain less than 0.01 nanograms of dioxin, which is considered as completely purified exhausted gas, and it will be emitted to the atmosphere through the induced draft fan and the stack. The bottom ash sintered at 900 degrees Celsius or higher from the rotary kiln is recycled to be used as the basement for road construction and block for pavement, and some of the fly ash is melted in the high-temperature melting furnace at 1200 degrees Celsius or higher, converted into harmless slag through an instant cooling process, and recycled as basement for road construction. By operating the wasted heat boilers with a capacity of 132 tons, the heat generated from waste incineration is used as the heat source for the plant's facilities such as steam air preheater, combustion air heater, melting gas heater, and heating, ventilating, and air conditioning facilities, as well as for neighboring apartment complexes and building structures in order to ensure the stability of nature and the environment. It's a clean society of the future that everyone dreams of. The resource recovery system constructed by a new concept through the best systems and know-how will bring that clean society to you.